Now, of all those, we never hit any kind of nut tree.
No, not the easiest, not the best producers, especially in the low desert. Nut
Thirsty trees too.
Thirsty trees, yep. And you need really good drainage for doing pecans, and they're hard to come by as well these days as well. So it's and like our pecan trees right now, it's like they still have no leaves. They won't have leaves until probably mid-March. And they lost their leaves probably in October. And so they lose early, and so they're beautiful trees. They're the biggest trees that we've got out of all the fruit trees. I mean, we've got 70-foot tall trees out in Queen Creek, just off of the Queen Creek Botanical Gardens. It's buddies up against a very large 3,000 tree, pecan forest. So it's like, we know pecan trees, but that's not going to be in my top 20.
Not your average backyard.
Not your average backyard and growing conditions. You need the right soil. You need the right watering conditions. You need the right setup. You need the right pruning. You need there's a lot of ways to do it wrong with pecan trees and nut trees in Arizona.